So it's the square, which is part of Woolshops Shopping Centre, and it's quiet today. We got peacocks, the fashion store. We got a mobile phone shop here, vape and go. People are vaping a lot these days. Feels like cigarettes have made a comeback into society through vaping. It seemed like the habit had died down. Discover Halifax. I'm not quite sure what they do here. And Lister. The Specsavers, opticians, HUK as a charity. Charity looking at the needs of the elderly. That's it from the shop. That's a tech repair shop. If you've got broken down gadgets, that's your shop. That's EE, the mobile phone provider. Woolshops Shopping Centre on a quiet day, quiet morning before the party begins. That's a travel agent, Hayes Travel. Body shop, the cosmetic shop, or to the mobile phone provider, king of trainers for your sporting wear, and Greg's, the master bakers. Can we call them that? Rum stands for trouble money, and they also buy gold and pawn breakers. Claire's, the jewelers. Costa for coffee. Body care for toiletries. Lester Hofsel for jewellery. River Island. Spring is coming. Card factory. Cards and gifts and mugs and helium balloons. 5 cards per pound. Duke of Wellington's regiment. The post office in W.H. Smith. Down there, that's the shops.